Welcome back to our edpm class. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss some special keys that are used on the keyboard. So some of these special keys are, we have our tab, our shift, our alt key, our ctrl key, scroll lock, insert, num lock, cap lock. So these keys we could find on our keyboard here. Let's start with our tab key. Our tab key, so you can look at this screen here, is located here on your keyboard, just above the cap lock key. And we use the tab key to move items forward, at least about 5 characters forward, or we could use to make indents. So it saves us a lot of time. Instead of press, we normally use our space key to create space, so that's just 1 character at a time. Our tab key allows us to move forward at least 5 characters, so it saves us time and energy pressing so many times the space key to get to move to our to one point to another. Next, we're going to talk about the shift key. The shift key is located below the cap lock key, or on the left, and below the enter key on the right of the keyboard. Now the shift key is used to activate the second function of a key. What I mean by this, for example, if we press the shift and A at the same time on the keyboard, it will change the common A to a capital A. Or if we press the shift key and a non-letter key, for example 1 to 0, or these symbols here, comma, full stop, or the slash, it will activate the second function. For example, if we press shift and 1 at the same time, we won't get numeral 1, we will get the exclamation mark. If we press shift and the slash key here, we won't get the slash, we will activate the second function, which will show the question mark. So that's what we use the shift key for, to activate the keyboard's second function. We use the alt key to create special characters and letters shown on the down button. Let me scroll down. And we use the ctrl key whilst we are to select more than one item at the same time. So if we click on the ctrl key and we click on numerous items at the same time, or icons, it will select all of those icons. So the ctrl helps us to select more than one item at the same time. We have our insert key. It allows us to insert items between text and also in documents. Our num lock key allows us to lock off the number keys here on your right of the keyboard. So when we click on the num lock, we won't be able to type using these numbers here. And if you want to deactivate it, we click on the num lock again, and then we'll be able to type using these numbers here. Then we have our cap lock key. Our cap lock key could, when we press the cap lock key, it change all the common letters to capital letters. So when we type in, we only getting capital letters. And for us to reverse that, we click on the cap lock key and it will reverse that effect whilst typing. So those are some of the apply special keys that are used. I hope that you guys have learned something. Continue doing your research and practice. I will see you in the next lesson.